Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. I've been bad. Do you guys see this? Big old box. I got a big old box of stuff that I bought. So, I'm subscribed to all 3 subscriptions from Boxycharm. I have Boxy Luxe, Premium, and the Base Box. And when you do the base and when you do base and premium, you have the option of getting like the sales. The makeup is like 80% off for the most part, and you get some amazing deals. So you guys know I can't resist a deal, which is why I do my TJ Maxx and Marshalls hauls all the time, because I just, have that FOMO, fear of missing out on a good deal or a good sale. So I did some shopping. I bought a whole bunch of stuff I did not need, but do we ever need any more makeup? I don't think so. But I mean, I couldn't resist, and it was a good deal, so I had to do it. All right, but let's see what I got. But you guys know what I'm going to say. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, or you watch my videos and you haven't subscribed, I'm going to wait for you to subscribe. All right, let me give you some time. Let me give you a little bit of time. Let me just check my makeup. Did you subscribe yet? Not yet. All right, 2 more seconds. I'll wait. Did you subscribe yet? Okay, good. Oh, by the way, I know you just subscribed, but make sure you hit the notification bell so you know every single time I upload a video, they'll send you an alert to your phone saying I just posted a new video. Alrighty, so now that you're subscribed to my channel, let's see what I got. Let's see what I bought. So this is a really big box, so I'm not going to put this on the table. I'm just going to keep it on this side and show you guys what I got. So, ooh, I got a lot of stuff. I'm excited. I love getting new stuff. I really honestly do. The first thing I got. So, I was really sad when I missed out on this. So, Boxycharm had gave away the Glow Recipe watermelon sleeping mask. This looks really like watery. Is it supposed to be watery? This plastic smells like very plasticky. This looks so watery. And it looks like not even full. Like, can you guys see? Like, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this. Hold on. It doesn't even look full. Like, you could definitely see in the camera. Maybe if I hold it flat. Can you guys see that it's not at the top? Like, and do you see that it's watery? Do you see it moving side to side? Why is it so watery? Is it supposed to be watery like this? It's a mask. I would think it would be thicker, right? Or no? Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Wow, but it's very watery. Very watery. Anybody who has Glow Recipe, can you let me know if this is supposed to be jiggly like this? Alright, so let me feel it a little bit. Put a little bit on the back of my hand from the lid. Let's see. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, this definitely, talk about glow. Glowing Radiant Softening Mask. Wow. Look at the difference between my 2 hands. This one has a Glow Recipe. Look at that glow, though. Wow. This is the dull hand. Well, actually, this hand is not dull because I always put lotion on before my film. So, because I'm not trying to be ashy on camera. That would not be a good look. So, but I'm happy to get this 80% off. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. Wow. Very happy. All right, let's see what else I got in this box. Where do I begin? The next thing I got is Violet Voss Best Life Palette Volume 2. Alright, let's see here. Ooh, I like how the box looks. It's very pretty. Alright, let's see. Oh my, I am so glad. So glad I got this because I love glitter. So it looks like the glitter like melted or something, or this looks rotten or something. Let me see if it shows on camera. Do you guys see? What is that? So for example, like, what is this? Hold on, what is that? With my fingers pointing, what is this? What is, sorry, what is all of this? What is that, and that? Oh, what is that? What is that? I can't win with you, Boxycharm. What is that? Can I catch a break? Like, what is this though? I mean, I don't know. It looks like molded or something. Like, I'm gonna show you without the plastic on it. I just got this. Literally, I didn't take anything out the box. I like to unbox things on camera, but that doesn't look too nice. So I don't know about that. Did any of you guys palette come like this? Because this can't be how it's supposed to look. But nevertheless, there's glitter on the top, and then there's shadows on the bottom. This is what the shadows look like. I'm just gonna put the box over the mirror so you guys can see the shadows. The shadows look fine. Hold on. The shadows look fine. It's just the glitters look like weird. So I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I don't know. Ugh, and there's stuff even on a plastic. Like, what is this? Guys, why? Why? Alright, so enough of this because this is getting me, like, annoyed. Alright, so I guess I didn't learn my lesson because I got another one. If this one is like this one, I give up. This one better not be like this, too. And do I even bother reaching out to Boxycharm? Because the last 2 times I reached out to Boxycharm, it took them forever to get back to me. I mean, I love Boxycharm. Honestly, that's like my... I don't like to pick and choose favorites, but it really is like my favorite makeup subscription box. However, sometimes the customer service is not that great. In all honesty, like I had got a Ciate. No, what was it? I bought a highlighter. I think it was Ciate. It was like a illuminating highlighter. It came broken. For my veterans who actually watch my videos, you guys know what I'm talking about. I did an unboxing. I unboxed it on camera and it was broken. And literally it took them like over a month or 2 to figure it out. And I was like, all right, it's been a month. Like, you guys haven't even responded back to me acting like what's going, like, am I going to get reimbursed? And then they took so long that they said, oh, we don't have this in production anymore. We're just going to send you a refund. And then you want to know something funny? It was in like a pop-up or add-on, like a week later, they had it in a pop-up. So I'm like, you guys said you don't have it anymore, but it's in a pop-up add-on. Just ranting, but back to the haul. So I got the Best of Life, the volume 1. And this one obviously was volume 2. Please pray that this one is not messed up because then I'm really going to be tight. Not going to be happy. Not a happy Aisha. Let's see. Fingers crossed for me. Drum roll please for this one. I'm like, I'm preparing myself to be disappointed. But the box looks like the box, just like the other box looks like the other box. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to show you guys because I'm going to get stuff all over, but look at this. it came broken. Do you guys see this? Why? Boxycharm! You guys gotta box your stuff better. You guys gotta do better, man. You guys gotta do better. This, and I did it on camera, and the glitter's so pretty too. I would have really loved to use this, but like, look at this. It's already falling all over my stuff. Look at this, look at this. I'm not even gonna open the other thing up. I'm just gonna contact Boxycharm. I'm a little disappointed about this haul because honestly, I was really like, these two things were like the main thing that I was excited for because I love sparkle eyeshadows. I love sparkle. You guys can tell from all my glitter backgrounds. You guys can tell from all my glitter shadows. And these are beautiful, but I got them broken. Did anybody get these broken and like rotten looking? Please let me know in the comments below. But not happy. All right. So these two things can't really come broken. So, well, I guess they can. I wouldn't put anything past anybody. But the next thing I got is, and don't come for me because literally I want to say like in every Boxy pop-up and FabFitFun, I buy like either a flat iron or a curling rod or something. But I'm sorry, guys. I bought another flat iron. This one, I want to say it was like $99, and I think it was on sale for like $60 or something like that. But I thought it was cool that it was cordless, because I don't own a cordless flat iron. So I thought this was cool, but I wish I would have known that before I bought like my two other flat irons. I bought a flat iron from Boxycharm, either pop-up or add-on, and I bought another flat iron from FabFitFun when they had their sale. But this is cool. I'm excited to try this cordless flat iron. Let's see what it looks like. It's pretty. I wish it was pink. It didn't come in pink though, and you guys know what I got in pink. So a little disappointed that it's blue because blue is like so not my color, but it's cordless. Wow. So I guess you charge it. It has like a little hole that you plug it in, and then you take it out and use it. It's cordless. I like cordless because I feel like the cord is so annoying. So I'm so happy to have this. Alright, so let's see what else I got here. So sad. Can you guys tell like my aura from the video? Like I'm just so bummed because I really was looking forward to using these palettes. But anyway, the next thing I got is this Clean Skin Club Fruit Infuser water bottle. So it looks like this. And this is what you can do with this water bottle. So I've been trying to be healthy. I know I should be drinking a lot more water, especially since it's summer and it's hot. But I don't. So I figured I'd get this. And I put like strawberries and like lemon or cucumbers in here. So I'm very excited to use this. I could use it like for every day and just put stuff in it. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to the supermarket and buy some things that I can put in here so I can start drinking some water. So that is everything that I got from my Boxycharm haul. Normally I'm happy, but today I'm not happy. The only thing I'm happy about is this, but this looks watery, so I don't even know if I even like this. Like, the only thing I guess I'm happy for is this. Well, I picked everything. It's not like it's a surprise, so I'm happy for my cordless. I'm happy for this, but that's because it didn't come broken. I don't know if this is watery because maybe it was out in the heat, because I was out early and I picked this up when I got home, but nevertheless, it wasn't out in the heat like all day or something, so, or then again, maybe it could be watery, I don't know. But this is the end of my video. What did you guys get for the sale? Let me know what you guys got any cool goodies that I should know about that maybe I can look out for next time. And that's it for my video. If you didn't subscribe, what are you waiting for? Like, comment, subscribe, show your girls some love, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!